If I tell you that you can make your hair soft, silky, strong, and visibly healthier in just a few days using something already sitting in your kitchen, would you believe me? No chemicals, no expensive products, and no salon treatments. This remedy is so gentle that both men and women can use it. And instead of damaging your hair, it actually feeds it. People will start asking you, what did you do to your hair? And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. First, why this remedy works. Our hair doesn't need more chemicals. It needs nutrition. Just like our body needs food, our hair also needs food. And one of the oldest, most trusted foods for hair is rice. For generations, grandmothers have used rice water for hair growth, shine, and strength. Today, we are turning that same wisdom into a proper homemade conditioner that actually feels and works like one. Step 1. Preparing the rice base. First, take whatever rice you have at home. Any quality will work. Thick, thin, small, big, it doesn't matter. You only need 3 tablespoons. Soak the rice in water and keep it covered. You can soak it for 2 to 3 hours or even overnight if that's easier for you. After soaking, cook the rice slowly on low flame. Keep cooking until it becomes soft and mash-like. Now, understanding the rice water. This is a key, so pay very close attention here. If your rice is new, the water will become thick and starchy. In this case, the rice water itself is your conditioner. But if your rice is old, 2 to 3 years old, the water will be thinner. If the water looks too light, slowly add some cooked rice and blend it little by little. The goal is simple. You want a smooth, creamy consistency, not a thick paste. Once you blend it properly, you will see it already looks like a real conditioner. Step 2. The secret moisture lock. Rice gives nutrition to your hair, but we also need something to lock that moisture in. That's where glycerin comes in, our second ingredient. Just a small amount of glycerin helps trap moisture inside the hair strands, making your hair feel softer, smoother, and healthier for longer. This next step is totally optional. It's about fragrance, only if you want one. If you want fragrance, you don't need to buy anything special. If you already have rosemary essential oil or any other essential oil that you like, you can add just a few drops. If not, don't worry at all. You can add a few drops of lemon or rose petals, jasmine flower petals, or even hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus especially is amazing for hair. This will give a beautiful natural fragrance without any chemicals. Now, storage tip. Very important, how you're going to store your conditioner. Don't make too much at once. If you wash your hair 3 times a week, this conditioner can be made fresh regularly, and if you have extra, store it in a clean glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator. Whenever you want to use it, add a little water, blend it again, and then apply on your hair. Now, how to use this conditioner correctly. First, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. It could be any shampoo. After that, apply this homemade conditioner to your hair. And yes, you can apply it to your scalp as well because it is completely chemical-free. Leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. Then gently massage your hair with light hands and rinse it off with plain water. Now, what results should you expect? Within just a few days, you will notice something amazing. Hair that was frizzy starts calming down. Hair that was rough feels smoother. Dry hair begins to regain softness. Slowly and naturally, your hair becomes soft and silky without chemicals or damage. This homemade conditioner brings life back into your hair. Your hair finally starts receiving the nutrition it has been missing. So, tell me, when are you making this conditioner? Comment below and let me know. Share it with someone who needs healthier hair. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple natural remedies. Healthy hair doesn't come from bottles. It comes from understanding and properly feeding your hair. I'll see you soon.